Has COVID ruined your sex life? Well, impotence or the inability to maintain an erection and premature ejaculation are pretty common post-COVID complications. Now, why do they happen? Well, as we all know, COVID causes an increased tendency of the blood to clot, and because sufficient blood flow is not flowing, coupled with the fact that there's a lot of mental trauma, people are stressed, there's anxiety, bachenge ki nahi, people get these thoughts, it's only natural that your little boy will not work. Well, the good part is that this is completely temporary and resolvable. But if it persists for days to weeks even after recovery, please go consult a doctor. We will assess the status of your blood vessels and if required, prescribe you medicines such as Viagra or antidepressants which will help delay your ejaculation. Don't worry, आपको आपके पैरों पे हम खड़ा कर देंगे. Wow, that was so bad.